Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. It's Thursday, January 8th, 2026. I will be trading Palantir, ticker PLTR, on the 1-minute chart. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. Okay, let's recap. Got in the trade 9:56. Target hit 10:12, so around 15 minutes in this trade. But I waited almost an hour and a half for this setup. Let me explain why and why I went bullish. So the green line is the low of yesterday. The purple line is just this is the area that touched the most. This is just a tail because I'm remembering to mark this because see where to react the most and makes more sense for the pattern. So the reason I went bullish is because, well, it opened here. The red line is the high of yesterday. So since it didn't go to the high and retest and gave me a pattern, so I was waiting for this area here. So I waited to come to the low, retest it, hold it, and breaking a pattern or forming a pattern, and so for me to enter. So this is exactly what I done. So that's it for today. The trade worked, but what matters the most is that the process worked. I knew my entry, I knew my stop, and I accept the outcome before I click the button. Winning days don't change the plan, they just confirm discipline. Same rules, same approach, next session. And always remember, process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.